Igbo kwe, Igbo kwe, Igbo kwe, Igbo kwe zono. Hi igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. You might probably see me wearing the same clothes. Yes, don't be sad, the same clothes, the same earring, the same head tie. That is because I have done a few other several videos this time around. Yes, I do these things so it goes very easily, so it can be easier for me to deliver to you guys. So guys, without further ado, before I forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is a real motivation for me. If you have clicked into this video, please do well to subscribe. Love you. Thank you. So as we proceed in today's video, we're going to be talking about everyday useful sentence. Guys, don't click out, because this video is going to make so much sense to you so long you're trying to learn Igbo. Yes, because this sentence are used every day, man. Every day you use it. So guys, please listen as we move. How are you? Kedu ka imere? You meet somebody and you're like, how are you? Kedu ka imere? This is often used in Igbo. It's a very usual greeting in Igbo. You meet somebody for the first time, or even not for the first time. You have met the person in the morning, you're meeting the person also in the evening. You also say, Kedu ka imere? How are you doing? It's often said, Kedu ka imere? Kedu ka imere? And the person tells you, Odemma. Adem mma. Ode mma. They basically mean the same thing. Kedu ka imere? You say, Adem mma. Kedu ka imere? Guys, watch my lips. Watch my lips. Kedu, kedu, kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. How are you doing? And the next one here is Kedu aha gị? What is your name? 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 Kedu aha ha? What is their name? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? Kedu ife mere echi gara aga? What happened deep for yesterday? Kedu ife mere echi gara aga? Agara m ahịa. Agara m ahịa. Kedu ife mere echi gara aga? Agara m ahịa. Kedu ife mere ijiri abịaghị ngwa ngwa? Why didn't you come as soon as possible? Why didn't you come soon enough? Kedu ife mere ijiri wee bịa ngwa ngwa? Ụgbọala gbanarị m. Ụgbọala gbanarị m. Ụgbọala gbanarị m. The car left me. Kedu ife i kwuru? What did you say? 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 Hope you're understanding what I'm saying, because I'm trying to take it very low. This is just the way we're going to learn Igbo language very swiftly. This is Igbo language channel where you learn how to speak Igbo, no matter how little, because I take my time and I speak very quietly, very slowly, just for you to understand, guys, because I'm very proud of you. I know you learn Igbo even before you know it. If you have watched to this part, please, hope you have subscribed already. Let's continue. Kedu ka nkiri ahụ dị? Kedu ka nkiri ahụ dị? How was the movie? Kedu ka nkiri ahụ dị? how was the movie? Then you say, Odemma. It's fine. Odemma, ahụrụ m ya n'anya. Odemma, ahụrụ m ya n'anya. It's fine. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. It's fine. Ka emesịa, see you later. Ka emesịa, we'll see again. Basically, ka emesịa means a lot. Ka emesịa, it means we'll see again. Ka emesịa, it means we'll see later. Ka emesịa, it means bye bye. Yes, it can basically be used in these scenarios, but when you say ka emesịa or ka odi, we know that we are drifting paths at that moment, and we'll see later. We already know. So ka emesịa, ka odi is basically the same thing. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope I was able to explain these things to you. This is everyday sentence in Igbo language. See, if you're learning Igbo and you start from this one I said today, you're doing perfectly well already. Because more often we'll say, how are you? Kedu ka mere? More often we'll say, what is your name? Kedu afage? More often we'll say, kedu ebe ị ga? Where are you going to? Or where did you go to? Where did you go to? Kedu ebe ị ga? Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? We use it often, at least in a day. If you meet an Igbo speaking person in a day, this thing I said now, person go use them. Let me talk. The person go use them. Surely, the person go use them. So if you learn this one I just said now for today, you have started speaking Igbo already. You have started speaking Igbo already. Yeah, I said it. I said it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Subscribe, as I always say. I don't know, maybe I'll just carry band and come to this channel and be saying, please subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video. Don't mind me, the playful part of me is always come out. Thank you guys, and have a lovely day. Bye.